Hi, it's Jez here from nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. And today I'm bringing you another floral project because I've set the design team challenge over at the Facebook group Stamping for All. Yeah, the theme is floral. But I'm also doing the hashtag simply stamping as well. So the other day I made this one, which was one stamp set, one ink pad. So I'm gonna, and it's on Stampin' Up note cards, but this time I'm going to use some extra thick Whisper White. So it's extra thick Whisper White cut in half, scored in half, and I'm going to use more than one stamp pad. So I'm going to use the ink colours. So I know lots of people, even if you're starting out, you take advantage of buying the set of ink colours because they're always 10% off if you buy the full set of 5. And every year Stampin' Up bring out a new set of ink colours, five colours the last 2 years, and then they're replaced. So we always have 10 ink colours every year, a set that's in their first year and a set that's in their second year. And so this is the set that's in the first year. I'm going to use the same stamp set as I used the other day, the beautiful Bouquet. I think if you're building up your stamps, this is a really good set because you've got lots and lots of florals, lots and lots of foliage, and you've got loads and loads of sentiments there, and they are bigger than you see there. The picture is 60% of the actual size, so if you compare the sentiment there to the sentiment there, you can see that they're actually bigger. So I have mounted these up on acrylic blocks. When I did it the other day, I just did it with one acrylic block, and I used the H block here, which will hold every stamp set. So if you're just starting out, every stamp rather, in this set. So if you're just starting out, it's a good one to start with. So I'm going to use the Call Me Clover for the stem and the leaves, and I'm going to use all the other colours for different flowers. So I'm going to do this orientation. And I'm going to do my bunch of flowers there and my sentiment there, and I've just gone and smudged it. I don't believe I've done that. I'll turn it over. It'll be on the back. This is for my friend who I went out for lunch with on my birthday. Got a little smudge there. It'll get covered by a flower. It's okay. It's okay. So, I'm going to ink up my stem, and I'm going to stamp it to the side here. Beautiful. And get rid of the green. I don't need that anymore, although I might use it for the sentiment. I didn't in my practice one, but I think I might for this one. Right, and then I'm getting the blueberry brushel. I do struggle with saying that. Bushel. I'm going to stick that flower there so it covers that smudge a bit. And then I'm going to do the second generation at the top here. So we get a variation of colour. Then I'm going to take lovely, lovely lipstick. It is only lovely lipstick, but I always find when I say the word lovely, I have to say it twice. Lovely, lovely. And I can't see what I've done with that flower. Oh, it's there. It's hiding from me. What you find with these photopolymer stamps, as soon as you've used a red, a purple, something like that, it's like stained forever. Doesn't affect how it stamps, and it doesn't affect you stamping another colour on it. Once it's cleaned, it will take other colours. I'm going to, in that red, I'm going to use the bow. I appear to have put the bow away. Let's get it out. There we go. And I'm just going to have that so it's like a bouquet, simply tied. There, stick it in the middle. There we go, fabulous. And that's the red got rid of. In practice one, I did my sentiment in red, but I'm not going to on this one. So then I want a bit of grapefruit grove. Stick that over there. And then we'll do the lighter one over there. Marvellous. And then we're going to come in with the little one. I need my stamping scrub now because I need to remove that from the block. And I'll just get ink all over my fingers if I don't clean it first. And I'm going to get my yellow. It's Pineapple Punch. And we want yellow there. And we'll do a light yellow over there. And then we need another colour. I do like blueberry blusher, even though I can't say it. I like it. So let's clean that yellow. I'm not going to do it in the same flower. I'm going to do it in this spray. And we'll have a spray going up there. And up there. Fill that middle up. And then I'm going to do this sentiment in the blue, and I got the wrong sentiment out. I couldn't have picked a better friend than you. She has been my friend since we were at university. I am for her, she's younger than me. The oldest friend she has, and not in age, although I possibly am, but in time. She was, I think she was 19, 20 when she went to uni. I was 28. So we've been friends a very long time. There we go. And I'm just putting that over there to give it some balance. And there we have it, a simply stamped card. No layers, no die cuts, no punches, just simply stamping. Okay, so another floral card there at Stamping for All. I will be posting this over there. If you'd like to join in the challenge, please go over there. If you're not a member, please join. And we set challenges twice a week. We have a design team challenge that's set on a Monday, and then a weekly Wednesday challenge as well. The design team the design team challenge that's set on a Monday is then blogged about at the weekend, and anybody that's given permission, their card will feature on whoever the member of the design team is. So in my case, everybody that's done a floral card this week will be featured on my blog at the weekend. So hope you enjoy that. Hope you've enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe. Click down below to the blog post where all the details will be about this card and the Stamping for All challenge. Okay, see you again soon.